Here is the Toyota Highlander. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, is the secondary release lever. Right over there. Put two fingers over there and then push it up. While it's pushed up, lift up the hood and grab the prop rod from there and put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. And let it go. Now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That is the bulb right over there. The way to access it is behind it, but for that we have to take this plastic panel off first. There are two clips which are holding it in place. One over here, just press the center part down. Second one over here, and again press the center part down, and now you should be able to get this cover out of there. You may have to push down a little bit more over here, but yeah, it comes out. That's the bulb. The bulb holder is right there. Let's just grab it and twist your left to loosen it, and now it's loose. And you'll be able to get it right out of the light and get it out. Grab the bulb and then pull it out straight, and off it comes. The bulb size is 7444 NA. Again, 7444 NA. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and push it down back in the bulb holder and then put it back in the light. And this is where you have to be patient. You may have to do some twisting and turning like this before the bulb holder just sits in flush and drops down like that. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. Now get these two clips out of this plastic panel. And once you get them out, this is what you do. You first get the plastic panel back in place. Make sure it's sitting properly. Good. Now push the middle part of this clip out. Once it's out, then you'll be able to put it back in over there. Same thing with the other clip. Just push the middle part out, and only then will you be able to get it back in place. Now simply push the center part of both the clips down to secure them, and we're done. Same process on the driver's side, no differences whatsoever. Just press it down over here and then press down over there, and now you should be able to get this plastic panel out. Same bulb holder, same way to access it, no differences whatsoever. See, right there is the bulb holder. Just twist your left a little bit and you can get it out. As you can see, I'm able to get it out just as easily as the passenger side, and there are no differences in the process whatsoever. So let's just go ahead, get this out. Same bulb, 7444 NA. Put it back in, twist your right, and let's get this plastic panel back in. Same thing when you put the clips back on. Make sure the middle part of the clip is pulled out first. Put it back in and then push the center part down to secure it. To close the hood, first push on the hood, get load off the prop rod and get it out of that slot. Put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.